First Lady Hillary Clinton is in Bosnia this morning, touring U.S. bases and visiting American troops on the front lines of the peacekeeping mission. Mrs. Clinton's first stop is Tuzla, headquarters for the U.S. operation. Cheryl Atkinson is traveling with Mrs. Clinton.
Bosnia's acting president greeted Hillary Clinton and her daughter Chelsea in Tuzla this morning. So did an 8-year-old Bosnian girl who was 4 when the civil war broke out in her country and says she can't remember a time before it.
Thank you so much.
Yes. There's some differing accounts of your trip to Bosnia, and I'm wondering if you can clarify. I know you recalled, ducking under sniper fire, and Sinbad, in his account, who was on the trip, he said that the most dangerous part was remembering where he was going to eat next.
He's a comedian, you know, Jeff. He's a comedian.
So you actually recall, hearing gunfire, and were you
when we were flying into Bosnia, we had to. Part of the reason we were in the C-17 is because part of it is armored. I was moved up into the cockpit. Everyone else was told to sit on their bulletproof vests. You recall that. And we came in a evasive maneuver. Those of you who've been on C-17s or C-130s know that one of their great characteristics is that they can take off very quickly and they can maneuver agilely to avoid incoming fire. There was no greeting ceremony, and we basically were told to run to our cars. Now, that is what happened.